So here we have question number 1, which is 9-8 on the assignment for 9.1.1. Assume that two figures on a flat surface, A and B, are similar. The linear scale factor is 5/6, then what is the ratio of the areas of A and B? Well, when we're talking about a linear scale factor, that's the same thing as saying the linear ratio. So the linear ratio is going to be 5/6. To find the area ratio, you need to square the linear ratio. So if I square that, it'll be 25/36, which will be my answer here. In the second one, it says if the ratio of the perimeters of A and B is 20/11, what is the ratio of the areas? Well, again, perimeter is measuring a linear distance, so that'll be my linear ratio, which will be 20/11. And then we want to find the area ratio of that, which is going to be 20/11 squared, which will equal 400/121. And then the last one, it says if the area of A is 49 times that of B, what is the ratio of the perimeters? Well, if we were looking at the area ratio, now A is going to be 49 to B, which is just 1. Whenever you say something is so many times bigger or so many times smaller, then you have to have 1 in your fraction. To find the linear ratio, you need to do the square root then of the area ratio. So the square root of 49 over 1 is the square root of 49 over the square root of 1. The square root of 49 is equal to 7. The square root of 1 is 1. So that ratio is 7/1.